welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the Falcon 60 Ford project. Today I am doing the project that I've been holding off on. I've been worried about how I was going to get this side molding off, the window molding, so finally I just jumped out there and did it. I've seen a couple videos on how people have done it. I chose this route. It took me just a normal bottle cap opener, and I took some Gorilla tape and just kind of covered that up, hoping that I wouldn't mark up the sides of my metal too much. So I already pulled the other side off, so I know this works. So basically, with the door open, I just start from the open end and let the little piece get on there, grab a hold, and just kind of lift it up a little bit. And I've just been working it back and forth all the way down so I get a wider area out, and then as I get that wider, I sit here and take my screwdriver just to keep it open. It's kind of hard to hold it with two hands, but anyways, or one hand. But anyways, you just kind of, and I'm not putting too much pressure on it because I don't want to ding it. I did on the other piece, just ding it a little bit, and you see how it kind of just pops and rolls off. So then I just keep it rolling right along. Just keep it on, working on through. Again, not putting too much pressure because I don't want to have little dings in it all the way around, because this stuff was perfect before I started messing with it. So that's the reason I was a little worried about messing with it. But it has to come off to get painted. And not only that, my drip rails have a lot of rust in them, so I got to figure that out. You see, as you're working on through, ooh, too much there. Just keeping on going. You can see where it dinged it a little bit there. Anyway, let's see if we can start manipulating this off. Where did my screwdriver go? Isn't that always the story? Then you just kind of run it right on around. There she goes. Keep on. Anyways, it's not a difficult project. Just got to be careful with it. I probably will have just a couple dings in it. Back up. There she pops off. So it's that easy. As you can see, I got a couple dings in it, more than I did on the other one. Might be because I was doing it on one hand, but I'm pretty sure I could pop those out a little bit. So this one's a lot better than the other side for me. All that needs to be cleaned out, but anyways, I'll show you the other side. As you can see, up here I am missing most of it. So I really don't know how I'm gonna fix that yet. That's gonna take some time to figure out. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you got any questions, please hit me up. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.